Celle. The Celle. So we're outside of Cortona at a Hermitage. I think that's what they called it. The road to get here is vicarious at best. Quite terrifying. It's very narrow, very winding, very broken. We had rented a decent-sized car, and then our friends decided to come along, so we had to get a bigger car. And a big wide car in Italy with these narrow roads is not fun. The Tuscan hillside, and again the weather in May in Italy. It got pretty cold last night by our standards. We're from Florida, so it was down around 10 degrees Celsius. We actually had to turn the heat on in the house, in the apartment we're at. It was really cold in there. I hear a waterfall, the water flowing. There's the bridge. Oh, you can see a little creek there, okay. All right, we're gonna go down, take a look at it. That's nice, at least they put the treads in for when it's slick.
Yeah.
When there's snow and ice. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, we're gonna go in. I'll see if I can film. If I can, I'll turn back on. It might be. New chute coming up, whatever that is. Big old flowers. Roses, maybe? Yeah, they look like roses. A botanist I am not. Alright. Find my way inside and see if we can film, like I said before. So far I've only found one room inside that we could go in. Looks like an altar, something like that. I'm not going to film that because it isn't applicable to what my vlog is about. It's just one of the many things you can see in this area of Italy, obviously. And if you're Catholic, you know, I guess this is maybe your Disneyland. Let's go up here and see what's up here. This thing still goes up and up and up. Oh, there's a big trail down there. You can walk on it, and this connects to it. Interesting. All right, if I find something else that's interesting, I'll film it. I'm going to save my battery because we're going to Cortona, and I want to film that. All right, still at the Hermitage. Haven't found anything too interesting. I'm walking on this trail that's up on this hill, mountain, if you will, and it kind of reminded me of the Appalachian Trail. The way you get the little rocky spots and the markings. Let me get back here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I feel like they've got the arrow to show you the way back. The arrow on the rock. There's some markings on this one. I have no idea what they are. Moss growing over them. And there were some paths, but they kind of ended. They were real narrow footpaths. I thought they might take me somewhere cool, but it just kind of became so overgrown you couldn't get through them. So, path less taken is usually the coolest, but if you can't get through it, it doesn't do any good.